This is what happens when Tim asks for help.
Say it again.
This is what happens when Tim asks for help.
Yeah.
Painting at 3 o'clock in the morning.
Hey, I appreciate it, man. Tim's always looked out for you, though.
Mm-hmm.
Ain't it?
Tim always looks out for me. I woke him up. I was back watching James H. I remember I woke you up. The engine started shutting down. I didn't know what to do. Green as hell.
Saved your ass, didn't it?
Mm-hmm. Didn't have no choice.
All right, man. We all start somewhere, buddy.